we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, here we go. Hello champion, Chef George here from the George's Live Cooking Show. Today is Sneak Peek Sunday. In this episode today, I'm going to be sharing with you two recipes. I'm going to be giving you a bonus recipe. The first recipe is the vegan salad, taco salad. That's number one. And the second one, because it's, it's getting warm, it's getting excited. People are getting excited, getting warm out here. I'm going to make a strawberry cream, coconut cream, kind of like smoothie, if you will. So we're going to get right to it. First and foremost, before we do that, I want you to click the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Look out for your boy. We're 4 subscribers away from 50.
Mindy Joe Johnson's wife.
Mindy, welcome champion. So we're going to go ahead and start. So we got some romaine lettuce here. We have some avocado. We got some Beyond Meat, which is a vegan product, plant-based product. We have some cherry tomatoes. We have some garlic. We have some red onion. And we are going to start this process. I want to kind of make the, kind of like the salsa part of it first and foremost. Take off maybe almost half of the red onion. Garlic in here. The red onion. I'm gonna put these tomatoes in. But let me do this first though. Where's my piece right here? I want to kind of grind these up a little bit. Just kind of. No, I'll go ahead and put this in. I'll go and put these in here. I'll put these in here. Like that. The reason why I got the gloves on because I want to be messing with that meat. Next, we're going to go ahead and get the avocado ready. Yeah, we'll get the avocado ready. I'm also going to start, while we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start some of this, because this is going to be kind of like the ground, using this Beyond Meat, which is a plant-based meat. We're going to use that to make our topping. So I'm going to take some of Georgie's all-purpose rub and put on here. Put a little bit of some fennel, just a little fennel. You can do salt, pepper, garlic, if you like. Also, we're going to put some in our kind of like our creamy salsa here. Yes. Who else we got out there?
Just Mindy so far.
All right, fire it up. All right, we're going to go ahead and kind of make that. We want this to be kind of like a ground type of kind of like a ground beef type thing. Right? Kind of like a ground chocolate. What this is a plant-based substitute. So now you could use, if you wanted to go traditional, you could use ground turkey, ground beef, ground chicken, ground pork. This is a plant-based meal, so we're gonna go ground. Let's prepare the salad with some romaine lettuce. We'll cut off the end, and we'll just go right down the line. Bam! Just kind of slice it up. We're gonna build our taco salad around this romaine lettuce. And romaine lettuce is one of the better lettuces, nutritional wise. Iceberg lettuce doesn't really have a lot of nutrition in it. And it's really less expensive. We're gonna take avocado. We're gonna just kind of plate that around. We'll plate some of it around. I'm gonna cut this one a little bit more. Again, we're gonna put some of this on top as well. So we're gonna put some of it on top like that. Then we're gonna go around like that. Like that. Then we're gonna take some of the move this out the way. Put this over here. Get a paper towel here. Wipe my hands off. I need my thing here. This is for the making sure this is nice. And I'll leave all of the exact amounts in the description. And guys, make sure you go ahead to hit the link and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As I said earlier, we're 4 away from 50, and we're gonna be doing a giveaway once we hit 50. And everybody has an opportunity to win something. I believe we're gonna be giving away. I won't give it away yet. I won't give it away yet. But help us to get to 50. That first milestone, 50. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour this around the salad.
That was good.
Let me sprinkle just a little bit of some. Now, if you got some fresh cilantro, use some fresh cilantro or some fresh parsley. I just sprinkle some dried parsley, dried cilantro, and I'll put on some dried parsley just to give it a little color. Boom. All right, so that's done. Okay. Where I'm going to be making a strawberry cream, or strawberry coconut cream smoothie, like a smoothie drink. So I'm just going to take the greens off. To take most of the greens off, I'm going to put, a bucket of a pint of these strawberries in. Now you can leave the greens in. I'll leave a couple of it, okay? Because they're going to be blended up anyway. Make sure they're rinsed. They were already rinsed. Right? Now, we can use it whatever fruit you want. You can use pineapple, you can use berries, whatever fruit that you have on hand. I just happen to have this on hand, and I know my wife and I are going to tear this up. Uh-oh, wrong bin. All right, so now we're going to take put a little bit of the maple syrup in here. And this is all to taste. We're going to take about a cup or so.
Charity's watching.
Hey Charity, welcome champion. About a cup of the almond milk. I'm going to do about a cup. I'm going to do a can of this coconut cream. Hopefully this thing is still.
She said, "Oh my soul, that looks amazing."
Yeah, it's gonna be righteous. Oh, come on now. Don't behave yourself now. Oh, so you're gonna be. Come on. I know you want to come out. Come on. That a boy. Coconut cream. Come on. There you go. Bingo. Bikino. Alright, so that's cool. Now I'm going to put the ice in. You guys might want to plug your ears because I'm going to let this rip until it's blended up.
She said, give this man a TV show, comedy and food all together.
Huh?
She said, give you a TV show, comedy and food all together.
Yeah, that's, there you go. There you go. There it is. There it is then. Now if you want more, if you want to add more ice to it, you could. Look at that. All of the details on how to make this in the description. So that's our bonus recipe. Then we got the right here. You can see we got this is divine right here. We got the vegan. Man, I'm just looking at it going like, wow. We got the vegan salad, taco salad with some romaine lettuce. We use some tomato, some tomato. We use some of Georgie's. We use some fresh garlic. We use some red onion. We also put some on top. We used some Beyond Meat, and we kind of used some seasoning with that. Put that on top. We got some chips here. I think I might have to put some more of that on there. Let me go ahead and try one of these though. Where's my thing at? Where is it? Where is that? So guys, as I was saying earlier, make sure, look at that. Yeah. We're almost at 50 subscribers. We're 4 subscribers away from 50. Share this video, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let the world know, because we're going to be doing a special giveaway when we hit 50, which is a milestone. So, what I need to do now, we need to pause the music. We need to pray over this food. We're going to taste it, let you guys go, because this is insanely delicious. So, here we go. Father in heaven, we thank you for this food. We ask you to bless it. Bless the hands that have prepared it. Bless those who are watching in the live and in the pre-recorded. Let this food be a blessing to those who taste it and eat it and that use this recipe. We thank you now, Lord, in Jesus' precious name. Amen.
Amen.
Let the world say amen. Let the church say amen.
Amen.
Let the world say amen.
Amen.
Amen again?
Amen again.
All right, so here we go.
Here we go.
We're going to go ahead and try. I guess I got to get a fork.
You don't have to, but you better.
I got to get a fork. All right, so, man, I don't even know where to start. Woo-wee! I don't even know where to start. All right, here we go. I'm going in. Got a little bit of everything. Some avocado. You put this on like this. Yeah.
How is it?
How is it?
Yes.
What?
How is it?
Lord have mercy. This is good.
Well, that explains it.
Live food every time. Oh, you want to try something?
Yes, please.
All right.
I'd love to.
Well, someone tried a little bit of it, so I guess I should let them try some, huh? What do you guys think? Think to let them try some of it? I'll let them try some of it.
Thank you.
I'll let them try some of it.
Thank you very much.
I'll let them try some of it. Boom, boom. Okay.
All right, let me see.
I'll let them try some of it. I'm gonna eat some more of it. You gotta grab the fork first, bro. And then you gotta step back away from the camera, bro. What are you doing, Holmes? Like, yeah, see? Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. See this right here? Y'all see that?
Hold on.
See it right there?
This tastes exactly like the taco salad Taco Bell used to have back in the day. This is delicious.
Yeah.
There.
Hold on, I'll be right back. That's good right there. So,
Yep.
I got everybody coming out the woodwork. My wife coming out the woodwork. She want to try it.
The whole house smelling good.
All right. Here we go. I will let my wife. You want to let people see this here, man? Yep. I'm gonna fire you in a minute.
Wait.
Yeah.
Throat choke.
Y'all see it. Okay, you need to put the food down now and stay on the camera, bro. You need to get on the camera, bro.
I'm so sorry.
See what I'm talking about? All right.
But it's all zoomed in on the food, so you're good.
My hand's falling off over here. Take the baby. You gotta take the fork.
Kaku.
The heck is going on here?
Kaku.
You see, when I'm asking people to go ahead and try this stuff, right? Well, I don't know. Here, and here's the creamy strawberry. Strawberry cream. I guess you can call it a smoothie. Yeah. Woo! Good. Delicious. And again, you guys make sure you share, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're 4 away from 50. And when we get to 50, and I'm spitting food everywhere. When we get to 50, we're going to be doing a special giveaway. So help us to get to 50 new subscribers. You guys are awesome.
Rhea Santos Stellaris is the one.
Rhea, we got to have a picture taken. Rhea's awesome. All right, so guys, make sure, I'm going to put some more of this meat on here. Back. Everybody clanking, bowls clanking. All right, let me go ahead and rinse my mouth out here. Delicious. All good. You good?
Yeah. The mixtape.
Are you still good? Okay, can I have a tissue here?
Yes, sir. I'm straight.
This is going to be off the hook. So guys, that's my time for today on the Sneak Peek Sunday from Georgie's Live Cooking Show. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, share. We're 4 subscribers away from 50. And when we get to 50, we're gonna do a live party where we're gonna give away to 10 people. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, to help us get to 50 subscribers, new subscribers. We're 4 away from 50, so you can assist us in doing that. No purchase necessary. Look out for your boy, support your boy. We're here to impact and change lives, one taste bud at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauce and rub, and amazing recipes. So with that said, I want to thank Charity. I want to thank Mindy. Who else is out there?
Rhea, yes.
And you guys watching in the pre-recording, and you guys watching here live. We love you guys. God bless you. God bless you guys. Until next time, I'm Chef George. Chef George out. Fired up.